Ah, damn. That was the statewide drill in Missouri. Now, I thought they were going to go off at 10 because last year Rolla went off at 10 instead of 11. So I didn't think Rolla participated in this, but looks like they did this year, and I was not expecting it. I was going to go over to Doolittle to film their sirens, but nope, that didn't happen. I didn't think they were going to go off today because all the snowy weather and strong wind that knocked down my fence. But, you know. Well, there's that.
Was a test of NOAA weather radio station WNG 648's warning alarm systems. As part of severe weather preparedness week, this is a tornado drill and a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alert system. Normally, this test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. However, this test is being conducted in recognition of severe weather preparedness week and to coincide with the testing of outdoor warning sirens being done in many communities in Missouri this morning. At this time, take a moment to practice your severe weather emergency sheltering plan. At the very least, answer this question. Where would I take shelter if a tornado was approaching Maine right now? The best shelters are in basements or in an interior room on the lowest floor of the building away from windows and exterior doors. It is important to have multiple ways to receive hazardous weather information. Having a battery backup weather alert radio is one of the best ways. Thank you for taking time to practice your severe weather response. We now return to regular programming. Weather service broadcasting from a tower provided by
Yep,
Electric.
there it goes.
Frequency of 0.50
It's a little surprising how the siren test was not canceled today. I would imagine, I thought it was going to be canceled today because it was snowy and the wind was super strong. This is my fence. It's been completely toppled over. Yeah. So the sirens were unexpected, honestly. I thought they were going to push it back tomorrow or next Wednesday.